Hello and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today is January 9th, 2025, and we are conducting a comprehensive analysis of Google stock. We will begin by reviewing recent news and events surrounding Google, then proceed to a detailed examination of the chart data for different timeframes. Based on our research of current events, Alphabet Incorporated, GGL, stock has seen some fluctuations recently, with a slight decline yesterday and a very slight increase today. Let's look at the one-day chart to visualize these movements. Here on the daily chart, we observe a recent price increase to 140.95, showing some bullish momentum. Let's take a closer look at the hourly chart to see if we can find any more correlations between the news and the chart. The hourly chart provides a more granular view of recent price action. We can identify periods of consolidation and potential support and resistance levels. Notice how the price action correlates with the recent news concerning Alphabet stock. Zooming into the 15-minute chart, we gain even more insight into the intraday price swings. We can detect short-term support and resistance levels and potential areas where short-term traders may want to consider buying or selling. Analyzing the candlestick patterns on each time frame, we see that there are multiple reversals. It's important to consider what causes these movements. We also have some significant key price levels to keep an eye on. These are all in the time frame of 190 to 200. Combining this with news data will assist your trading decisions. Let's recap the key takeaways. On the daily chart, we observed bullish momentum, followed by a slight dip, but today showed an increase to 140.95. The hourly chart shows areas of consolidation and short-term support. Lastly, the 15-minute chart reveals intraday volatility and potential short-term trading opportunities. The overall trend is upward. However, it's essential to note that market conditions can shift rapidly, so consistent monitoring and adaptation are critical. In conclusion, while the overall trend for Google seems to be bullish in the long term, short-term price movements are subject to change. The key price levels to watch are the recent high of 140.95 and the range of 190 to 200. A significant drop below the 190 level could trigger short-term bearish sentiment, whereas a clear break above 200 would suggest a strong bullish trend and potential long-term gains. Further price increases will require monitoring for signs of exhaustion, such as bearish engulfing candlesticks or weakening volume. Keep an eye on any upcoming news, such as earnings reports, which could heavily influence these predictions and conditions.